Hello and welcome back. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe. Okay, let's get started with our mixture here. I've got softened cream cheese, softened unsalted butter, and I've added some half and half. You can use heavy cream if you like, or milk, but I'm using half and half today, and I'm going to use my hand mixer and get this all whipped up. And I'll have the amounts for everything in our description box, or the drop down description box below. So anyway, let me get this all mixed up and then we'll get back to adding the rest of our ingredients. Alright, to our mixture, we've got some fresh dill. Get that in there. Some freshly chopped minced chive. And then we're going to grate in some lemon zest. Lemon zest is really good. Add another layer of freshness to this. So I'm going to just do the outside of this one lemon here. And we got a good amount of it off there. Don't have to overdo it, but we want to get plenty in there. So just scrape it off in like that. And let's get some other stuff ready here. And to our mixture, I'm going to add in an optional item. If you don't want it, you can leave it out, but I'm going to use some red pepper flake. Because I would like a little heat with mine. And then some kosher salt, just a little bit, and some cracked black pepper. And we've got some smoked salmon. There's no herbs in this, it's just Applewood smoked. So we're going to put in some light pieces of that here in a second. I'm going to put this in last because I don't want to get it all mangled up in there. I just want to gently fold it in. But let's get all these other ingredients mixed in there, well incorporated, and then we'll get our salmon in there. And before we continue here, I'm going to give it a little taste test, see if I need any more salt. Really tasty. I think we'll be okay with the salt that's in the salmon there, along with the little pinch that I put in there. We should be fine. So let's go ahead and we'll get this salmon in there. Like I say, just want to break little pieces off in there. It comes apart pretty easily. But we're just going to get little pieces in there, and then we're going to get it well incorporated, and then we'll continue. Okay, so what we do is we take our bread that we've hollowed out and we fill it, right? Pretty easy. But once you get all the halves filled, we're going to put them together and wrap them up, and we'll put them in the fridge to chill again. Because it's at room temperature right now. As you can see, that's what we're going to do here. Just get it nice and filled up there. Like so. And we'll do that with the other one as well. Alright. And we'll get it in the refrigerator. We'll wrap it up and get it in the fridge. Okay, after slicing it up there, I've got a little garnish on the plate. So there's our product. Gorgeous stuffed appetizer. So good. Look at that. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'm gonna eat.